Hello, my name's Summer from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Navara blue, should turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 23,350 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with the 10-spoke design making a bold statement. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the comfortable cloth upholstery. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a connection to your mobile phone device and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.